Hey everybody, welcome to Security Insights. This is Brian Howard. I'm a territory manager for a security company covering Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. And every day I bring to you fresh insights from this area from real customers. And I basically anonymize those and turn those into stories, nuggets, best practices, and lessons that you can apply generally for free in your environment. So today I wanted to express to you kind of an idea that I often help my customers with, and that is that in order to provide security solutions for your organization, in order to provide, maybe a change in human process, maybe in order to make a purchase of a security service or a security product, it's very important that you are able to articulate a business case. So what are the fundamental elements of a business case that you can present to your executives to help you get approval for the for the solutions that you need for your situation? So I think there's some core and easy fundamentals. It's always good to put this kind of business case in a PowerPoint. You can put all the different business case reasons and backup that you need to in the PowerPoint, and then you can put your pricing at the end of the presentation. So it's kind of one package that also becomes something that you can PDF and send to them as a follow-on artifact. You can print it out in color and bring it to the meeting with your executives as well. So some of the fundamental elements that you want to put in your business case PowerPoint, I think, are number one, security awareness. What are the security threats that your industry faces, which you are aware of, but your executives may not hear about on a regular basis? You know what I mean? So you're closer to the issues of cybersecurity than your executives are. So number one, lay out what are 7 key things that your particular industry faces in regard to cybersecurity. What are the risks? You outlining those risks in the front end of your PowerPoint establishes the need for your security proposal itself and for the security solution. So laying the groundwork for the need is very important. Number two, what are some of the alternatives to solving that problem? So some of the alternatives could be doing it yourself. Some of the alternatives could be making a purchase. Some of those types of things. So get into high-level strategies that you have researched, show multiple that can meet that need, and then come up with what is your selected solution. What is your selected strategy? And by the way, this does not always mean a vendor purchase. It can, but basically you need to justify at that time, your business case. What is the reason for you, making that particular decision for a vendor? So what is your reasoning? So that reasoning might be, this vendor is a leader. I have spoken with some of their reference customers, whatever it may be, whatever research and background that you've done. Bulletize that. Don't write a book. That's a really big deal in an executive presentation. So those are some of the fundamental things that you want, and then talk about time frame to implementing that solution, whether it be a process or a product or a service. What does that look like? Time frame. How long before we're going to be effective? What other groups do you need to get buy-in from, and to maybe have some help? So maybe your solution requires some help from the infrastructure team, or maybe even DevOps, if it's cloud, other groups. So really put in there, what is the level of effort, what types of people would have to be involved to implement that, and how soon could we be up and running with that solution? And then get into the cost, some options. Now listen, your vendor, if this is a purchase, your vendor's happy to give you 2 or 3 different levels, okay? That's what I do commonly. I just left a meeting where we're going to be doing that. So get 2 or 3 different levels of solution so that you can, give your boss options. Just to let you know the psychology of this, they often go with the middle solution. It is what it is. The little solution is usually not enough coverage, and the big solution is something that you might grow into, but it might be not economical enough at this time. About 70% of the time, they will go with your middle solution. So just to give you that context. So anyway, It's very important for you to be able to create a business case. This is both from a career management standpoint for you, so that you can have career success, career progression, but also so that you can get the solution or the process change or whatever it is you're trying to make a case for to secure your enterprise. With that, this is Brian Howard with Security Insights, wishing you a safe and secure day.